right? How you need to sit like a classroom is classroom. Filtering out some elements, from list of given elements. What is the use of map function? What is the use of map function? To get what? Right. To get the elements from that area. To get the new list from list of iterable object. New list will come from old list by applying to the function. So today I am going to introduce one more function, that is, what is that? A reduce function I am going to talk. Easy students, please let me go to the special functions here. I'll take up here special functions in Python. Now I'm going to take up now. Please look at that reduce function I'm going to discuss. So simple, students. So simple to understand this reduce function. So simple to understand the reduce function. Now I'm going to discuss. Okay. So what did you understand about reduce? Filter, did you understand? Understand? Reduce of map. Right. Reduce. What did you expect about reduce? What reduce function will do? What filter function will do? It will filter out some elements from list of numbers. What map function will do? It will obtain new list from existing list. What reduce function will do? From list of elements, it will give single result. From list of elements, it will give which result? Single result will come. What is that single result? Now I am going to explain in the class. Try to look at, I am going to give you some clarity over it. Some clarity over it I am going to explain. Please look at carefully, guys. Now I'll go to Python 3.10. Now I am going to explain. See, my dear students here. Now I am going to take it. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is my LST. Print of CMA, all of you. Sum of LST I am going to take. Sum of LST. Sum of LST I am going to take it. LST. What is that LST? Sum of LST. It will give you the sum of all the numbers or not. So what is that numbers? 150. Is it not called one value? So what is this now? Come on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are internally applicable to which function? Which function? Sum. Internally, sum function uses which function? Reduce function, and gives the result called what? 150. What did you understand from this discussion? What did you understand from this discussion? I am giving the discussion here. Come on. I would like to get it. All these list of values submitted to what? Sum function. That will give you what result? So sum function internally calling what? Reduce. Is it not list of numbers are giving single result or not? One more. Same. Print of max of LST. Max will give you what? Maximum element. From list of numbers, is it giving single element or not? 50. Getting up? Next. I will apply what now? Min. What is the min element? From the list of numbers, it is giving what value? Minimum element is coming. Is it easy? Now, what did you understand from this discussion? Whenever some list of numbers are given, I am getting which element? Single element. That is done by what? Internally, sum function, max function, min function will give you what result? Single result will be given. That single result giving is internal functionality is what? Reduce. Let us apply how reduce works. How internally the sum function uses reduce. Now I am going to talk. Let us go to the point back. Online students, are you getting students? Are you getting this example here? Now I am going to write it without using these functions. I want to find the reduce function. Easy students. Now I am going to talk. Consider the following. Consider the following. So bigger one. Let us go to the consider the following. Now I am saying, see here, consider the following a list of values, a list of values. Consider the following list of values. What is my list of elements here? LST is equal to something like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is my given data, for example. This is my given data. What I am doing now? Today I want to find, here I am writing, find what? Sum. Find what? Sum. This is my requirement. Okay. This requirement I want to fulfill. Which function I am using? Sum function I used it, I got the result. Behind of sum function, who is there? Reduce function is there. How reduce is working, I am going to explain. So, another side I will write it. Another side I will write it. Some piece of code also I will write it. Some piece of code also I will write it. For that piece of code, you try to observe it. So now I am going to take up. Now I am going to take up the piece of code here. Let's watch it. Now I am saying reduce directly function name, func name, comma, what object? Iterable object. Iterable object I am going to take it. Iterable object I am going to take it. Iterable object. Now it is going to give you some result or I am taking. Or I am taking. And something I will write after 2 minutes, that you don't worry. That you don't ready. That is a syntax actually. Something before that I'll write, nothing to worry. So this function, how it works, function name I need to define. How do you define that? DEF, func name, some x comma y I am writing, some x comma y I am writing, and doing some type of operation. Of course, I will write params list, I will write it. Params list, I will write it. Some block of statements I will write. Some block of statements I will write it. So there I will write it. Now, coming to the point back. Here I am going to say, watch it. Now I am taking first value, second value. Like that, how many values are required? How many values I am having? 6 values I am having. So like that, I am taking something like this. Now I am taking one more value like this. Now I am taking some more value like this. These are the values I am having. These are the values I am having. What are my values are available here? 10. Next is called what? 20. Next is what I am having? 30. 30. Now I am having like this. 40. 40. Next I am having 50. Next I am having 60. These are my values. Okay now? Well. And beginning what reduce function will do, reduce function. This is a syntax we have written it. Now code, if you want me to do it, the reduce function first it will do whatever the list is there, the list of values. First 2 values will be selected by reduce function. Initially, the reduce function will take what? First, reduce function takes the first 2 values kept into first variable and second variable. What is my first variable I am taking? X. And second variable I am taking what? Y. Initially, first variable, second variable values kept into where? 2 variables. Are you getting? Initially, reduce function takes initial 2 values kept into first variable and second variable. Both of them will be applied with logic. What is the logic I am applying? What is the logic I am applying? Plus operator I am applying. What is an operator I am applying? Plus operator I am applying. Once you apply plus operator, what will happen? What will happen? Here I am going to write it what here? 30. What will come? 30. That 30, in the first time what is happening? First 2 values are selected, kept into 2 variables. First variable, second variable. That result will be kept in where? First variable. Result is coming. Result kept in where? Second step, two values will not come. Result will become the first variable value. So what is the first variable value? X. What is the next variable? 30 will be there in the next succeeding element will be kept into Y. Next succeeding element will be kept into where? Y. This is called Y. Are you following me? Now I am saying that X is here and then this is called Y. Again the operation will be done. What is my operation? Come on, now I hope you got it. What is the result? 60 kept in where? Beautiful. 60 kept in where? Good. 60 kept into X. Next succeeding value, 40 kept in where? That's all. This process repeated until all elements over. Come on, what is my next element? 40. 40 kept in where? Y. Come on, apply the same logic. Come on, what is my logic? What operator? Plus. Operator is what? Plus. Come on, what is the next one? Come on. 100. 100 kept in where? X. 100 kept in X. Very good. X. What is the next succeeding element? Y. 50. 50 kept in where? Y. Next, what is happening? Same operation. What is the same operation? Plus. Plus. What is the answer? Come on. 150. 150 will be there in where? X. 150 there in X. 150 there in X. Very good. X. Next, what will be the succeeding element? 60 kept in where? Y. Very good. Next, what is happening? Next, what is happening? This value will be kept in where? Plus operator. Plus operator. Next, it is going to contain what? Come on. Right. It is going to contain what? 210. 210. 210 present in where? Come on. X. 210 present in where? X. Do you have any more elements next? No. Since no more elements are there, since no more elements present in where? List, and hence return what? Value of X. Return what? Value of X. Are you following? Since no more elements are there in this place, no more elements present in where? List. So here what is happening? Return which value? X value. Hence return which value? Return value of X. Did you understand this discussion, ma? Is it understandable? Yes. This is called a scenario of what? Reduce function. Sir, how to write the code here? Now I am writing the code. Online students, is the internal flow of this is understandable? This is called what? Internal flow of what? Which function? Reduce function. Reduce function. Now I am writing syntax number 1. Follow syntax number 1. That is called example number 1. What is my result? Come on. What is the function name? Reduce. What is the function name? Reduce. What should I pass it? Function name. What is my function name? Sum OP. What is my object name? LST. Right? Done. 1 minute. So I'm going to take up. Very, very easy. Reduce. And now I will write it what? Function I will define. Can I define? D. Yeah. What is my function name? Sum OP of X comma Y. I say, what I am saying now? Return of X plus Y. Start. Dear students, you are already aware of it, I hope so. Every function of Python belongs to what? Every function of Python belongs to what? Forget, almost you forget. I understand. I got an idea now. Every function of Python belongs to what? Object. Who said object? Correct. Who's that? Every function of Python belongs to what? ఎందుకని మీరు అసలు module. Every function of Python belongs to what? Module. I'll open it. Beginning days, 6 p.m. Features of Python. Simple feature. మనం చదువుకుంటే చాలా బాగా చదువుకోవాలి, లేకుంటే అసలు చదువుకోకూడదు. Once you started reading, you have to read like anything. Otherwise, we should not touch the book at all. Sir, what to do? Business. What business? So come on. Definition of what? A module is a collection of. Now my question today, every function of Python belongs to what? Explain now. Already it is there in front of you. It is there in the notes also. Now come down. No problem. Still I will explain. I will not lose the hope on you. Still I will do. Reduce is a function, belongs to one module. What is that module name? FUNC tools. Month is a function, belongs to calendar module. SQRT is a function, belongs to math module. Do you remember that? Beginning days, demo level I said. Even today also, reduce function belongs to one module name. What is the name of the module? FUNC tools dot. FUNC tools dot. FUNC tools dot. Now I am writing it. FUNC tools is the function name. This is the function name I have. This is the function tools dot. This function, I will import that. That is my tomorrow's lecture is going to start with what? Modules topic. Here I am going to get it RES. RES I am going to talk about it. RES I am going to talk about it. Are you able to get my point? Now, finally, I am going to conclude my sentences. Here. What I am interested to tell you now is FUNC tools is one module name. FUNC tools is my module name. Reduce is my function name. Every value of LST passing to whom? Some OP. Now start the discussion now. How many values are there in LST? First thing, reduce will transfer how many values? 2 values. What are the 2 values? 10, 20 means it is coming to 10 is in X and 20 is in where? 10 plus 20. 30 will come to where? X. Next succeeding value of LST to where? Sum OP. What is the next succeeding element? 30 will be there in where? X was how much? 30. 30 plus 30. 60 there in where? X. Next succeeding element. 40 going to where? 60 plus 40. 100 is there in where? Next succeeding element. Like that. Next succeeding element like that. It will be going on repeating or not? Is it understandable? Finally, my RES is containing what? 210. Filter function returns an object of filter. Map function returns an object of map. Reduce function will not return an object of reduce. Reduce function always returns an object of single element only. That single element can be stored by which data types? Single values are stored by which data types? Fundamental data types. Long ago, when you are wearing school dress time, I said you the data types. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types purpose I'll open it. See, your school days time. The purpose of fundamental category data type is to store single value. It can store int, float, bool, etc. At max, it can take str also. Don't think that str is a fundamental category. If I join 2 strings, if I join multiple strings, it will become a single line or not? That single line is called what? str. What, students? Reading or not reading? Reading. So, reading but not remembering. That is not comes under reading. It is only called what? Seeing the notebook. That. On white paper, block letters or blue letters or what letters they are. Anyhow, students, come down to the point back. Is it understandable? And print RES. Print what? RES. Print of RES. What is the answer printed, ma? What is the answer printed, students? Ma? 210 is an answer printed. Good. Now I want to go for another type of discussion. I want to do it. What is the next discussion I am going to take up? Lambda. With this is called what function? Normal function. Want to do with what function? Lambda function I want to do it. Shall we go for lambda now? Well, now you only tell me how to do this now. Come on. RES FUNC tools dot reduce. Come on. Lambda x comma y colon x plus y comma what? X plus y comma what? LST. LST. How simple it is. How simple it is. Start. Here I am going to write it. So space is not enough. I hope so. So FUNC tools. For 1 minute, you don't worry about FUNC tools, students. First try to understand like this. Okay now? Or otherwise, I'll reduce the font. So I will write it. FUNC tools dot. Start the flow now. Come on, everybody. Reduce function will take first two values in where? X and Y added or not? Whose result kept in where? X. Next succeeding element of LST kept in where? X plus Y kept in where? Next succeeding element in Y. X plus Y, X plus Y, X plus Y. It is repeated multiple times or not? Yes. Print what here? RES. Print of what? RES. So answer is called what? 210. Getting? Now, shall we write the coding? Open the notes. And one more thing. Okay, open the notes, all of you. Write a Python program. Online students, 1 minute more. Let me confirm from online students. Online students, are you getting students? Students in online. 298 students are there. Please respond, everybody. Please respond. So, good. Good. Fine. Let's start the discussion now. Let's start the discussion. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of values. Which will accept list of values. Which will accept list of values. Which will accept list of values and find their sum. And find their sum. Find their sum by using reduce function. By using reduce function. Online students, please look at that. PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Today PyCharm. Close this project. Close this project. 6 p.m. functions. Say this, you close it. Now I am going to take up. See here. I say I am taking. What is this now? Reduce function example1.py. Reduce example1.py. Now I am saying here, done. Now I am going to take up. Tell me. Say D of sum of x comma y return x plus y. X plus y return. Okay. Now go to where? Main program. Main program. I say there LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 students. Come on, mom. RES is equal to reduce of sum OP of what? LST. Error will come or not? So underline indicates that it is an error only. Print of what? Sum is equal to RS. See that error now. Run this code. Error is coming. Name reduce not defined. So I will go for what now? Import. What is that? FUNC tools. FUNC tools. Are you getting my point? FUNC tools. It is a module name that you have to call it. In that module, this is present. This is present. Are you following me? See, reduce, no underline, reduce. You may ask a question. Sir, yesterday you called a filter function. Yesterday you called a map function, but you did not write any module name. By default, which module will be imported? Built-ins. 2 to 3 days back, I shown you one small thing. Built-ins. Built-ins is called a default module. In that default module, our two functions are present. Almost all the functions which I used so far belongs to which module? Built-ins module. But today I am using which function? Reduce function. Reduce function belongs to which module? Well, online students got it. Run this code ma. See the answer. What is the answer now? 210. Getting? Suppose I want to get the dynamic result. How do I get it? I forget. Enter. Come on, ma. List of values separated by what? Very good. Space. Separated by space. Yes. Int of value for value in input of dot what? Split off. Are you following me? Good. Now I am saying that print of given list is equal to dot format of LST. Now I am writing sum of writing like that is equal to, I say here, dot format of LST comma RS. LST comma RS. Are you getting my point? Print of some small line. I am writing like this. Try to run this code. See that. Enter list of values separated by 10 minus 10, 20 minus 20, 30 minus 30, 30 minus 30, and 40 minus 40. Answer 0. Ante kada? 0. 0 is the result. 10 minus 10 minus 20. Cancel. Now run once again. 10, 20, and 45, 67, 12. Got the answer. 154. If you are feeling confident, calculation problem like this. What is the answer? Like this. Are you okay? Fine. So now I will write last and final. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, and 110. And 110. Are you getting my point? Minus 10, 10 cancel. Minus 20, minus 30, minus 50, minus 50, minus 40, minus 90. Okay, students. Shall I move forward? Yes. This is called which function? Right. Same program I will do with what? Anonymous. Anonymous I want to do it. See, students, I'll go for what? Example2.py. Okay. Look at that. Now I am taking like this. What is my operation here? Same thing, same to same. I don't write normal function, guys. I will write like this. What I am doing now? Tell me. Come on. Lambda x comma y colon x plus y. Do you know the flow of it? Yes. Import what again? Function tools. What is that? FUNC tools. FUNC tools. Are you getting? Run this. See the answer now. 10, 20, 30, 90. So the answer is called what? 150. Okay now? Like this one can find the details. Okay? Write down. One homework you write. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of values, which will accept list of values, which will accept list of values from keyboard, find their product, find their product, find their product, find their product. Product means what? Each and every number to be multiplied. Same thing. In plus of x plus y, what you will write? X into y. That's all. Okay, na? H by double if. Write in the bracket H by double if. Homework. So even if we don't write also, sir, we don't do homework. Kada? Will you do homework? Doing homework daily. Tomorrow I will check once. Compulsory one day you will check the notes. Are you bringing daily notes? Bringing notes daily? Writing fair notes after going to home? Everybody? Huh? Not writing. What you will do without writing? Writing. Those are saying some different sound. Take care about your future. Write down notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will find highest and lowest elements. Highest and lowest elements. That means max and min elements. Max and min elements. Max and min elements from max and min elements from max and min elements from list of elements. From list of elements. From list of elements. Are you able to follow? From list of elements, you need to find max and min. Okay? Right. Will you do it or shall I do it? Huh? You will do it. Boys. No mockmadams. If you say, sir, do it means I will do it within 1 minute. No, sir, we will do it means I will give to you. Online students, do it, sir. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Now we will do it, sir. So 2 students says, 3 students responded. 1 student you will do, sir. 2 students said that we will do it, sir. And others are just eating snacks, I hope so. Are you eating pani puri or what? So, okay. Let's do it in the class, sir. Okay. Let's do it in the class means sir will do, student will do. It's an intelligent answer this is. Student will do or sir will do? Sir will do. Okay. Very good. So when I do it, what you will do? That is my big doubt. No problem, students. So your homework is my homework. No problem. I'll do it. Even some of the girls are thinking, if sir will do, it is good. Because we are not able to, we don't have the time. So where is the time is going, I don't know. Anyhow, enter the list of values separated by what? Space. Come on now. Big V. Big V is equal to, come on. Big V is equal to, come on students. I say, FUNC tools dot reduce of lambda x comma y, come on now, colon, come on, max of. అందుకనే చెప్పాను నేను చేస్తానని చెప్తే మీరేమో మేం చేస్తాం సార్ అంటారు. సో దట్ ఇస్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. X, if X greater than Y, else Y. This is the subject. Comma what? LST. Now I understand what you will do. If I give by mistake this homework now, that homework is homework only. That's why I don't have confidence on you. Somewhere somewhere else some sense came. Oh, these people are having somewhere else a doubt. So done. So if you write max of x comma y, what will happen? Danger problem will come. Only two numbers you are finding the max. What about others? So that's wrong answer. Come on, LST. That LST max will come. Suppose if I take 3 elements, if I take it 10, 30, 20, for example, what will happen? LST will supply how many values? Take one more value called what 40. First, how many values? Kept in where? Kept in where? What is the value of xy? 10, 30. 10, come to where? If 10 greater than 30. False means go to where? Else. What is the value of y? 30 kept in where? X. What is the next succeeding element? 20 kept in where? Come on. What is the value of x greater than y? 30 greater than 20. True. What is the value of x? 30 kept in where? Next succeeding value of LST. 40 will be there in where? Y. What is the value of x greater than y? False. What is the going to? Else. What is the value of y? 40 kept in where? Do you have next succeeding element? No. Written what value only? X. Andulo anta katha undi. That much story is there. Are you following? Next. Okay. First you print. Print of what? I say print of. Come on. Big of. Big of. Say is equal to like this. Dot format of what? LST comma what? Big V. Big V. Try to run it. Say 10, 20, 30, some 12, 45, 67, 100, some 2, 56. What is the answer? 100. 100. Last and final. -1, -3, -10, 0, -67, -23. What is the answer? Bigger one. 0 is a bigger one. Following me? This is the way to find the biggest among the multiple values. Clarity is there, students. Minimum value also I want to find. Can you find the minimum value also? Come on. Come on. Small v is equal to FUNC tools. FUNC tools dot reduce of lambda x comma what? Y colon x if x less than y else y comma LST comma what? LST. Say what next? What next? Small. What is this now? Small. What is this now here? Small v. Small v, right or not? Small v. Are you following me? Try to run it. Done. Enter 10, 20, 30, -5, 45, 23, something like 35. Got it. Maximum is what? 45. Minimum is what? -5. Got it. Easy or difficult? Easy. Let's start one more thing. Shall we give one more homework? Will you do it? Right. So without seeing the question, you will say yes, sir. After seeing question, you will say yes, sir. Before seeing the question, yes, sir. Before or after? After you will decide. Before or after? No confidence. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of words. Which will accept list of words which will accept list of words separated by comma, and form a sentence, and form a sentence, and form a sentence, and form a sentence. Understand the first one? Python is one word, is one word, OOP is one word, lang is one word. I want to prepare Python is an object-oriented programming language. That is what I want to prepare. Shall we write it now? Shall we write the code now? Right. Homework, class work, student work, teacher work. Huh? Teacher work. That's what. అందుకే నేను అడిగా నేను ముందే. ఆవేశం ఎక్కువ మీకు. So you'll have more excitement. Class work or teacher work? Teacher work. Okay. So coming to the point. So you're giving so many homeworks today to me. So many homeworks, correct? Okay. No issue. Start. This is called what? Reduce function example 3 is completed. So I'm going to take it. Function name is called what? Reduce function example 3.py. 3.py. Okay. Now I am going to take up one more example, student. Reduce function example 4.py. 4.py. Okay. Now I am going to take up. Now see, students. Now I am going to. Now watch it. Now I am saying printer. This type of things you take it. I am going to take up here. Now done it. Enter list of values separated by what? Enter list of words separated by comma, comma. So comma. Okay. Now I am taking what you know? Word. Word. For what? Word. Word. Input of, split of, comma. Well. So you got it. What is now? Print of what? Given words is equal to dot format of what? LST or word? LST. LST. Okay, good. Now I want to go for what? LST. Okay, done. Now I want to go for just to run, students. Now I am saying that Python, comma, is an OOP language. So you are getting Python is an OOP language. Those things I want to join them. I want to use it. Come on. Line is equal to func tools dot reduce of lambda ఎప్పుడు x, y నేనా a, b, a plus b. A plus b means what? String plus string, concatenation, comma what? LST. That's all. Now say that line colon start of what? Format of what? Line. Done. See, students, how simple it is. Now done. Execute. Enter that. I say Python, comma, is an OOP lang. Getting Python is an OOP language. No space is coming. I need to give the space or not? To give the space, I'll go for what? Here I will take it. A plus some space plus B I am writing. Are you following me? Now you run it. Run, students. Enter the list of words. You are getting Python is an object-oriented programming language. Got it up? So this is called what? Run once again here. I am writing row sum is father of what? Python language. Row sum is the father of what? Python language. Which function I am using? Reduce function. Got it up? Right. Next. One more. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a list of numerical values. Which will accept list of numerical values. Which will accept list of numerical values. In the bracket, positive and negative. In the bracket, positive and negative. And find sum of positive values, sum of positive values and negative values, sum of positive values and negative values separately. Positive sum I want, negative sum I want separately. What you will apply? First question ardhamainda? Did you understand the question? Understand the question first. I will accept what? List of values. Look at students. I'll take it. What question I have to apply? Come on. List of what? Positive and negative I am getting. From that I will filter positive separately, negative separately. I'll apply what? Filter. On filtered positive I will apply reduce. On filtered negative I will apply reduce. And two functions I am using today. Filter, reduce functions I am using. So I am using filter, reduce, example1.py. You have to understand, students. So here I am writing, see students, come on, I will accept it. I will accept it. List of values, I'll get it. I'll get it. Now this part I will take it because it is easy now. That's why I'm copying this. Enter list of values. Enter what? List of values. Separated by what? Space. Separated by space. Now I'm going to write it. Done. So I will take it value. Int of what? Value. So I say there what you know? Value I am taking. Got it out? Fine. So list of values. Given values is equal to what I am taking? Values I will take it. LST I will take it. LST. Try to run this, students. I say 10, 20, 30, minus 56, minus 12, 57. Now you got the values like this. I need to filter what? Positives and I need to filter negatives. How do you do it, students? Come on. Filter. Filter. What values? Positive values. How do you do it? POS list is equal to list of filter of lambda n colon n greater than 0 comma LST. With that what is prepared? Positive list. Next filter what values? Negative values. Filter negative values. Very good. Tell me now. Oh. NEZ list. NEZ list is equal to list of filter of lambda n less than what? 0. Beautiful. I got both positive list and negative list. Okay. Now observe, students. Now I am writing. What is this? Given positive list. What list? Positive values. Positive list. I will take it. What is this now here? POS list. POS list. Next I will take it what? Negative list. Given what list? Negative list. Negative list. What is this now? NEZ list. NEZ list. Just try to run this. Now I got it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. or 10, 20, minus 30, minus 40, 50, minus 60. So see that, students, positive values separate and negative values separate. Now I need to apply what? Sum I need to find, right or not? Come on, find sum of each list. Positive elements list. Positive elements list. Tell me, PS list sum. PS list sum is equal to FUNC tools dot, come on, reduce of lambda x comma y colon x plus y colon POS list. Good. POS list. Got it. Similarly, what is next? NG list, negative list sum is equal to what? X plus Y, and what is this? NEG list. Now I will find what? Come on. Print of positive, which sum? Positive sum. Positive sum of is equal to dot format of POS list, comma PS list sum. Okay. Next I'll do what? Negative sum. Negative sum. So I'll write it. Negative. Negative sum is equal to what? What ma? NEG list. What is this now? NG list sum. NG? Okay. NG list sum. Okay. Done. Line number 17. Now what is the 17 there? X minus y. Who said that? You said. Chocolate I will give you. So, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. How do you do it? Minus 10 plus of minus 20 minus plus of minus 30. Minus 10 plus into minus minus 20 plus into minus minus 30, which is equal to what? Minus 50. 60. Your knowledge come to me. If you say minus x minus y, x minus y, if you say minus 10 minus of minus 20 minus of minus 30, minus 10 minus minus plus 20 minus minus plus 30 is equal to 40. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Right up. So you have to write what? X plus y only. Okay now? Fine. So coming to the point. 10 minus 20 minus 30, 40, 50, minus 60. Enough. Otherwise you will get confused. So what is the positive sum? Okay. Next is called what? Also okay. Got it now? Right. Keep it aside. This is about what function? Filter and list. Easy or difficult? Easy. Shall we go for one big example? Same thing I can execute even in Edit Plus also. Write down. Big example. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of employee salaries. Follow the question carefully. Big question I am dictating. Accept list of employees. whose salaries ranges from 0 to 1000. 0 to 1000. 0 to 1000. 0 to 1000. More than 1000 allowed? No. Less than 0 allowed? No. So during accessing only, I need to get it what? 0 to 1000. More than 1000 not allowed. Less than 0 also not allowed. So I need to write a beautiful code in that part. Okay, continue. Give 5% hike or give 10% hike. Write down. Continue. Give 10% hike. Amrut. Need to write the question during I am dictating. Again and again, I am not repeating that. Write during I am repeating. During writing explanation, write down. What is the question? I will repeat. Write a Python program which will accept list of employee salaries ranges from 0 to 1000. Full stop. Continuation. Give 10% hike. Give 10% hike to those employees. Give 10% hike to those employees. Give 10% hike to those employees whose salary ranges from 0 to 500. 0 to 500. 0 to 500. Okay. Full stop. Continuation. Give 20% hike. Give 20% hike. Give 20% hike. Give 20% hike to those employees. Give 20% hike to those employees whose salary ranges from whose salary ranges from 501 to 1000. 501 to 1000. Which function you will apply? Which function you will apply? Filter function I will apply. Map function I will apply. Okay now? Right. Continue. Find the total salary. Find the total salary. Find the total salary of those employees. Of those employees whose salary ranges from 0 to 500. Whose salary ranges from 0 to 500. 0 to 500. Which function? Reduce function. Reduce function. Next, continue. Find the total salary. Find the total salary. Find the total salary of those employees. Of those employees whose salary ranges from whose salary ranges from 501 to 1000. 501 to 1000. So I'll apply what function? Reduce function. Okay. Last. Find the total salary. Find the total salary for all the employees. Find the total salary for all the employees. Find the total salary of all the employees. Find the total salary of all the employees. Are you able to follow me? Now I would like to write it. First, read the question by yourself, all of you. Online students, did you understand that question, ma'am? Did you understand that question? Now I am going to use it. All those things I will bring it. These are very, very, very important students. So, those things are very, very important. So, coming to the point of writing the coding now. I would like to write the coding now. So let's start with writing the coding. In Edit Plus, I will write it. What is my program name? Filter map reduce example.py. Example.py. Let us take that into this place. Special functions here. Enter that. Save it. Start. Now I want to get what? Cell list. Cell list. Come on. First of all, I will give the message. Print. Enter. Come on. A list of employee salaries. List employee salaries. Ranges from 0 to 1000. But when we say 0 to 1000, if the individual enters 1000, no problem. More than that, less than that, any negative numbers, I want to neglect it. Take care, students. Come on. Int of cell for cell in input of dot split of if good int of cell greater than 0 and int of cell less than or equal to 1000. Beautiful. Greater than 0 and greater than or equal to. Good. Greater than or equal to. You can write this in a small shortcut also. What is that? 0, 0 greater than or equal to cell less than or equal to 1000. You know this how to write it? Very good. Yes, ma. Int of. Correct. Int of I need to write it. Beautiful. Int of cell I need to write it. Good. Keep it up. Now I will say print of what? I'll write it. For your understanding, line by line output I will show you. Now I am writing. What is this now? Given cell. Given original cell list. Original cell list. Okay. Dot format of what? Cell list. Okay. Save it. Come to the command prompt. Command prompt is not there. Huh? Okay. Come to the command prompt. Come to the command prompt. Here. D:\kvar Python 6 p.m. Say here what you know special functions. There you will say py. What is my function name here? This I will take it. So done. I'll say minus 100, 100, 501, 1000, 450, minus 600, 1200, like that. It is getting only what? Required values only coming. You add 1 0 also. 1 0 also. 0 also will come. Understood? Well, from that place, I want to filter what? Come on, fast. Shall 0 underscore what? 50 is equal to. Come on. List of filter of lambda shall colon shall 5 0 less than or equal to 500 comma shall list. Are you getting? Well, next I will get it. What next? 501 to what? Okay, 1000. Tell me now, students. 501 to where? 1000. Done. Now print it. So shall list between 0 to 500. Dot format of. Come on, mom. Shall 0 underscore what? 500. Okay. Next I will write shall between 501 to what? 1000. Okay. This is called what? 501 to where? 1000. Very nice. Okay. This I will print it. Execute. See students, I'll say this. What are the elements 0 to 500? 100 and then 450 and 0. 501,000 is another part. Got it? Next. I'll go to the next. Another area I will go for it. What is the next area? Hike. Hike I want to do. Tell me. Come on. Hike. Shall. 0 to what? 500. For easy remembrance purpose, variables I am taking. Okay. List of, map of, lambda, shall, colon, shall plus, shall into 10%, 10 by what? 100, comma, what? Shall of this thing I need to take it. Are you following me? Well, close, one more close. Are you okay? For this close. This close is for this. This close. Okay. Next I'll go for what? 5012. 5012. Sorry. 5012 what? Okay. Lambda. What is this now? Shall 20 by 100. What is this now? 5012 1000. Are you following me? Good. Now I want to print it. This is the hiked values are coming. Now I want to print two tables. One is the salary of 0 to 500, old salary, new salary. Next is called what? 501 to 1000, old and new I want to print. Like a tabular format I want to print. I will use what? Zip. Very good. Come on now. I say, tell me. I say print of. Here I will write print of. What is this now? Old shall 0 to what? 500 \t new or something like what? Hike 0 to what? 500. This I want to take up. How do you do it, students? Now I am writing. Tell me. For OL comma NL, OL comma OSL comma OSL, old salary and what? New salary, NSL in where? Zip off. Come on, students. Shall of 0 to 500, old one, comma what? Hike of 0 to 500. This is continuous understanding is required. Print of what, students? Come on. \t, and \t require dot format of what? OSL comma NSL. OSL comma NSL. Following me? Right. Similarly, I will get it the same idea for other thing also. What is this now? 501 to 1000. Here what? 501 to 1000. Done. I say here 501 to 1000. Here hike of what? 501 to 1000. Done. Careful. Are you following? Execute. Take small data only. Take care. What is this now? I filtered. Old salary 100. 10% means 10 rupees. 450, 10% means 45. 450 plus 45 is 495. 0%. 10% also 0. Now this one you see. 501, 20% is this one. 1000 is 20% is 200. 1200 is coming or not? Now, students, when you are going to do this, here only I want to print what? Total salary I want to print. Total salary from 0 to 500 hiked employees. I want to print some amount or not? Here I want to print a total salary for what? 501 to what? 1000. I want to print some more thing. And finally, I want to do these two subtotals here. Got it? Already some students, sir will take care, we will forget. Are you like that? Are you keeping track of it? Online students, are you in touch with the program? Now, here, after doing that, before printing this result, here I will do what? Find the sum also now. Find sum of cells. Sum of cells for what? 0 to what? 500. Come on. TOT cell 0 underscore 500 is equal to FUNC tools dot reduce of lambda cell. What is that? Cell 1 comma cell 2 colon cell 1 plus cell 2 comma. Which one? Hiked salary. Hiked salary only I want to take it. Cell 1 plus what? Cell 2. Hiked salary. Are you following me? Similarly, I want to find out here only. Find the hiked salary of what? I say what? 501 to where? 1000. 1000. Come on. I say what? 501. 501 to where? 1000. Say here. Come on. 501 to where? 1000. Getting my point? Now, in this place, after printing this, now I would like to say, here I want to pay. Print off. Come on. Total salary. Total salary. Total salary of hike. Total salary for 0 to what? 500 hike colon dot format of what? This part I will take it. Correct? Yes. Right. Done. Okay. Now this is called what? One double line I will write it. One double line I will write it. Okay. 1 minute. Of what I will write it? 60. Now I will write it. Total salary for what? Here I will write it. Here I will write it. Tell me. Of what? 501. 501 to where? 1000. I am writing. 501 to where? 1000. There I am writing it. There I am writing it. Here I am writing. Are you able to follow? Well, shall I move forward? Yes. Is it understandable or confused? Confused, Gada? Understand, Import, good. Import I need to take. Import what? Import FUNC tools. FUNC tools. Okay. Now see. Done. Enter. So I got the answer. I got the answer. I got the answer. I got the answer. What is an answer? 110 and 495 like this. This is the answer. What is an answer now? This is an answer. This is subtotal. This is subtotal. I want to print a total salary paid to the company. Are you following? Now, what you will do? What you will do? What you will do, sir? Right. Come on now. Total salary. I'll write it. Total salary. Salary paid by the company. Paid by the company. Paid by company to all employees. To all employees. is equal to dot format of, come on, I forget, dot format of total sal plus total sal of 501 to where 1000. Done, done, done. Are you following? Yes. Here I will write it. Fine. To see more powerful way, I'll write some small thing here. And just little bit. And just little bit of 5 seconds. Just to show you some small funny output for you. To show some small funny output. Next I'm going to write it. Some small funny output. That's all. Just some small funny output. I'll take it what here, time. Time. Now, original salary. Next 5 seconds after. Like that. Next after 5 seconds. Like that. Next after 5 seconds. Next like that. Total salary paid by the company is like that. Are you following that? Now, are you seeing that magic of the output, or you are calculating also? Because our brain also should work now, slowly like that. That's why. Are you okay? Clarity is there? Right. Now, like that, you can enter. Enter the outputs are 2,000, 10,000, 300, 400, 500, 501, 750, minus 600, 450, minus 456, minus 56, 4,000, 4,000, something like 530, 530, like that. Only positive values are taken. Next of them, what is coming? 5 to that. What are available? You see that. Old salary, new salary, hiked salary for them. Next is called some more thing, total salary for other people, and getting the other details. And total salary for all of them. You need to calculate these two. You need to calculate these two. So, ఒక 2 అయితే వచ్చేసింది. మిగతా యాడ్ చేసుకోండి అవి. So, you'll get the answer. Are you following? Right. Next, last and final. So, 0, 0, minus 12, minus 45, minus 67, minus 78, 0. Error will come. 0. Error will come because the reduce function or filter function require what? Map function requires some manipulation. That's why you need to take what? The result to be entered properly. Are you following me? Right. So like this is called filter and map. Go to the example here. Here. Go to this place. Functions you go once. Under that, functions. Index of functions you see. There you observe it. All sorts of function example. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Special functions explained. With today, functions are over. Tomorrow, I'll start what? Modules. Modules, which is very simple. Modules is only 2 days. Why? Everything is called what? Functions only. Modules extension is what? Package. Only 1 day. Why? Inside the package, what is there? Module. If you don't know functions, module is module only. You cannot understand. So that's why daily practicing is important. So tomorrow class I'll go for what? Modules. Modules easy or difficult? Dead easy. Once you know these functions very well, modules are very, very simple. Okay, students? So I'll stop the class, and tomorrow, because modules I cannot stop in this small amount of time. Tomorrow I will start what? Modules. Don't miss tomorrow class. Okay now? Right. Thank you. All the best.